Hey, this is Greenie here at Brandon Harley-Davidson, and this is one of my favorite products. And it's that season again. I dang love bugs. And this here is Bugslide, and this product is awesome. Their motto is, don't ride without the slide. But it does so much, and it's not just for motorcycles. This is for cars, boats, any painted surfaces, windshields, chrome. But this stuff really works good. I mean, it's so important. I can't remember everything that's in it, so I'm going to read you. It's an all-purpose and safe. Bugslide contains no wax, petroleum, silicone, Teflon, or harsh chemicals. Bugslide leaves a protective, microscopic finish that continuously repels dust, dirt, water, and fingerprints. Bugslide contains a UV filter for added protection and dries crystal clear with no yellowing, no buildup, and no powdery residue. This product is awesome. Comes with a microfiber cloth. So remember, don't ride without the slide. Get yours at any of our 5 dealerships.